We're at Jewel, me with Nash. It's time to get our iPhone. I'm at Apple Store. I'm gonna get my iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go! You got iPhone 12 Pro. Still walking with camera, you see. So, heading to Apple Store. Let's go inside. Are you ready, Nash?
Yeah.
Huh?
Why not? I'm ready.
Yay! This time, I'm at Apple Store in Marina Bay Sands. I'm gonna collect my iPhone 12. Let's go! I'm so excited. You have to go that side. Just to go down. I think they say it's at basement 2. Yeah, then you see an Apple Store. The good thing is no one is stopping us right now, but I don't want to jinx it. In Jewel just now when we were there, security guard doesn't allow us to record. He said that we have to get a permit from the management if we want to do a recording. Just want to go to the Apple Store, get it done with. There's the Apple Store. I think this is oh, found it. Have to do the QR code. check out the iPhone 12. Let's see. Woo. Woo. It's nice. This is my second time for today. So, let's turn it on. Is that battery? Yeah, there is. I'm so excited. I don't know why, but I mean, 2 phones in a day is quite exciting. So you got it. Singapore setup. I'm just gonna do it afterwards. I'm so excited. 2 iPhones in a day, so I can't wait to make another video about this. Especially on talking more about the phones, and hopefully we're gonna dismantle it also. Thank you very much.